Cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke. What is the meaning of the Latin word cell? What is the meaning of that word? It means small room.
Now you can see the picture of compound microscope. You should learn the parts of a compound microscope. All organisms that we observe around are made up of cells. However, there are also single cells, that a single cell may constitute a whole organism, as in amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium and bacteria. These organisms are called unicellular organisms or single-celled organism. A single cell may constitute a whole organism is called single-celled organism or unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium and bacteria. And many cells groups together in a single body and assume different functions. These organisms are called multicellular organisms. What is multicellular organisms? Many cells groups together in a single body and assume different function. For example, human beings, animals, etc. In case of multicellular organism, we can see different kinds of cell in a body. Now you can see the various cells from the human body. Smooth muscle cells are there, blood cells, nerve cells, fat cells, sperm cells, ovum, bone cells, etc. That means in multicellular organisms, many types of or various cells we can see. Each living cell has the capacity to perform certain basic functions because there is a division of labor in multicellular organism such as human beings. Now you can say, why is the cells called the structural and functional unit of life? Because the division of labor starting from cells and building blocks of an organism are also start from the cell. So we can say that the cells are the structural and functional unit of life. Let's summarize today's class. Take your notes and write this. Chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life. First, what we learned? What is cell? Cell is a smooth, it means small room and it is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell, it means a small room and it is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Second point, unicellular or single-celled organism. The organism that consists of a single cell is called a single-celled organism or unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, bacteria, paramecium, chlamydomonas. Third point, multicellular organism. Organism that consists of more than one cell is called multicellular organism. Example, human beings, animals, etc. What we learned today? What is cell? What is the meaning of the word cell? Unicellular organism. Example of unicellular organism. Multicellular organism. What is an example of multicellular organism? Okay. Today's follow-up activity. Find out the answers. Who discovered cell and how? Why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Thank you.